and then this and this, and then this is set. Another cute little. Keep taking them. This little dream set.
No.
Skirt. You know restaurant we are going on, so that's a little set.
Happy birthday, dear Xania. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? 1 to 1. How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, mommy. I love you. I love you.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. It is October the 25th, 2025. It's her birthday today. We are currently waiting in a storm, so all of the plans get knocked. But we are grateful nonetheless. It's all a part of God's divine plan and divine timing, so we're not questioning anything. The greatest thing is that we have life, we are together, we are healthy, and we are safe. So that's all the gift Minnie really need. So we will be doing a little bit of decorating for her birthday and doing a little mini photo shoot as well. So that's what we're gonna do today. So we have some balloons. The theme for the birthday is strawberry.
Mommy, I want some.
So berry first birthday. Is that? This not a bluff, you know. Okay, so that took us 4 minutes? Took us 4 minutes. Not that long. I was being extra, I guess. This is the banner that I DIY. Zadia!
Switching them on?
Very first birthday. The lighting in here may not be the best. So here's our little setup. Berry 1 birthday. Very first birthday. No, Berry 1. Very first birthday. That's the big ass number 1. This is baby girl sleeping.
The spirit of the Lord. Make some noise if you're in His presence. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Hallelujah. Let's sing it. Come on, hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
Take me to I don't have much to bring.
He's in His presence. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
So guys, this is a little setup. That's the number 1.
The good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you.
It is now the 26th of October and it's raining, so we're just here waiting for the storm, the hurricane. So we're just sitting and waiting. It's raining. Let me show you. Hey girl, come walk. Let me go. Now let me get a shot. Here you go for dear life. Come. Let's walk. Hey. Now let me go. What are you doing? Get up. Are you going to look up at him?
Very cool.
Xania!
Let me finish.
Xania. Hey, mommy.